Hey, what's up, my friend? If you're struggling to make some money and it seems like you cannot find a way out, now in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $1,000 two different ways. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because this is going to be packed with a lot of value, a lot of information for you to take and you can run with it right away. So my name is Andre. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell notification. Let me know in the comments as well where you're watching this from because I always like to know how far my videos are trending. For my regulars, it's so good to have you keep watching my videos over and over again. So I thank you so much. So you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe, and make sure you let me know in the comments as well what you think about this video. So if this is your first time here, this is my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online and ways how you can make money online. So if it's your first time here, you're brand new, you know what to do. Hang around because in this video, I'm going to show you two ways how you can make $1,000. Now let's dive into it right away because I don't want to waste none of your time and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So let's do this. So the first website that I'm going to share with you, and this is one way how you can make $1,000, is a website that is called Chegg.com or Chegg.com, whichever way you want to pronounce it. It's basically a tutoring platform where you could teach students all over the world. So if you're good in a specific area in school, or if you're good in any form of language, or you're a teacher, you could do this. Now, people come on here to get their homework done because sometimes it gets a little tough and they're looking for some help. Maybe their parents cannot help them or their family member. So what they do, they come on this website and they're looking for help. They're looking for tutors and people that can help them. So this is where you come in and this is how you're going to make some money. So I'm going to show you, so make sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. So people are looking to kick off their career. They want to make a difference, and students like you will change the world and they want to help. So here are a few things that beyond the classroom that you could click on here, you could check it out. And they also do this thing that's called work hard, play hard. So when you scroll down here, you could see the top tutoring subjects: accounting, chemistry, geometry, algebra, English, math, calculus, computer science. We're talking about writing, economics, statistics, physics, a whole bunch of different things. Now, there's some people in major cities that can also do tutoring in the cities, such as like Atlanta, New York, Boston, Philadelphia, Chicago, San Diego. So if you'd like to become a tutor on here, I'll show you exactly where you need to go, but let me just go through and browse through for a little bit. So click on the tutors, and this is going to pop up. Online tutors are ready to help you 24 hours, 7 days a week. There's people all over, and if you want ASAP help, if you want sometime today, you could type in what you're looking for, and you can find a tutor. So students first, quality tutors available 24/7. So there's always people on here that is willing to offer help, and that's where you come in. So how it works, you submit a question, choose a tutor, and you start your lesson. That's when people come on here and they want to find a tutor for them to get help. If you want to become a tutor, you scroll up here, click on become a tutor, and you could sign up. As I mentioned earlier, the top tutors are making $1,000 plus every single month. Starting at $20 per hour, you could do this from the comfort of your home. So that's the beauty about this. You could do this at home and you could teach people something that you already love. So it's online tutoring gigs, online tutoring jobs. They will send you the students. So you don't need to go out and look for students. You build your reputation, tutor from anywhere. Wow, this is even good. So if you don't want to be at home, you could do it anywhere, in your dorm, coffee shop, or wherever you have internet access. So they are willing to let you go anywhere. So this right here would be the perfect job if you would like to. It's summer right now, shooting this video. If you're watching it, later on. But right now it's summer, and you could do this on the outside. Some people have their phone and they could tether. You just want to hook up your phone to your laptop and you could get the job done. So you get paid each week every time that you get the job done. They make sure everything is completed, and they will send you payments. The only thing, you want to make sure you do it right. Don't slack off. Don't be late. Don't do all those type of things. And once you get credibility and you got people leaving you comments and stuff, of course, it's going to raise you up and you're going to be one of the top tutors. So $1,000 per month, that's where there's an asterisk there as well. Represent monthly earnings. Top 5% of all tutors between 2015 to 2016. It's 2019 right now. So the next way that I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 is freelancing. Freelancer.com is a great website, and they have so many different things that you could do. If you want to browse jobs, people are willing to pay you a lot of money. You can make a ton of money doing this. Like this person right here, I want to hire a web developer. They're looking for a specific criteria, and you can bid. Once you bid, you can bid how much you think it's worth. People already, sorry, we cannot find the job that you were looking for. So people already take that gig because people are bidding right here, bid, and whoever has the highest bid or the person with the best offer is going to win. So that's the only downside to this, but you can make $1,000 just by doing this every single day. Not $1,000 every day, but you can make money every day. And per month, you can make over $1,000. It all depends on how much work you want to put in. And they have a scale over here that you can put fixed budget, fixed price. This is if someone want to come on here. So if you want to, how it works, you can click on here or you can click on browse for job. So if you want to work, you could just scroll all the way down to the bottom, or you can go all the way to the top right here where it says, I want to work. So you click on I want to work, and you could just fill it out just by putting your email address, you put your password, or you can click on continue with Facebook and you can sign up through there. So I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to share the two ways how you can make $1,000 online right now. And those are the two ways. ShegTutors.com, and you could go to freelancer.com and you can get the job done. If you like this video, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And you're looking for my #1 recommendation, you know what to do. Check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.